Everybody, this is your sticky here. The network is quite struggling, but I actually just want to take 2 trades. Just like I used to say, I don't know whether I should keep on preaching about the strategy. For those of you who like sketching few spikes or few candles, you need to look at this. This is a strategy whereby you don't need to mind about the candles or whatever. We catch big moves, my brother. If the conditions are met, this is what is basically gonna happen. Just like this, how many times do I repeat myself doing these sniper entries? So let's do it live. Let me just look for 1 or 2 signals. The network is so bad where I am. Let me look for signals. I simply just found one. What loss size am I gonna use? Okay, let's go ahead. The fuck, I found another one. Yeah, the money is not enough. Let me just, the account is small. The network is bullshitting people. Okay, I just took some profit. This is another signal again. Yeah, for the people that don't actually know my strategy, as you can see, this one all conditions are met, but actually in 30 minutes time frame, conditions are not met. You understand? Even in H4 conditions are met, but 30 minutes time frame, if you see these, you can tell the green, it's a bit longer than this red one, so the market will still go down. And if you are to draw your trend lines, you see that's why the market is spiking. Okay, if you are to draw your trend lines just like this, you can tell the market have broken out of the trend line. And here, if you are to draw another one, the market did not reach a key level. You can't tell me that the market will just here it will just turn. The market have to touch a specific trend line. If you are to trade this one, where are you gonna put your stop loss? You want to tell me that you're placing your trade here and then you're gonna put your stop way far here? How many pips are those ones? Those ones are quite a lot. So the market will definitely just come off and then land on this trend line. I've taken 3 or 4 trades right now, as you can see. Okay, this one made a pullback. Okay, I don't care about that one. I know the market will definitely, and I will not, obviously I will not end the video before everything is just in profit. Everything has to be in profit. So this is quite understandable, simply because you have got a tight stop loss, of which is also your stop loss is protected. In most cases your stop loss will not be hit because it's protected. Why? By what? The market is completely oversold, and according to the indicator, according to price action as well, because that is a resistance level. As you can see, the market have been, this is a builder. The market has actually been struggling here, up and down, up and down. Why? Simply because there is this is a resistance level and there's a trend line. Obviously, if the market break that level here, it will still land on this trend line. How is that trend line? Let's see. That trend line is just a retest to the trend line. The market broke out of this trend line. It's a daily trend line, broke out, and then the market went. Now the market came to retest the trend, so the market is gonna buy. So let's see these. This is the signals that I've just taken. I told you this one is gonna be, but I'm late in this one. It's supposed to be a sniper entry because anytime soon the market can retest at the top and then it comes down again. Just from here the market can go and come down again. The most important thing here is not to know about this small, it's to know about the bigger move. And just watch the histograms. That one, the red one, is always longer. If it's like that, you don't mind about anything. The market will come for you. You understand? The market will definitely come for you. As with this one, I didn't even draw anything. Let me just draw some let me draw my favorite trend lines. Take off this one, and then let me just draw my favorite trend lines. Those ones are my favorite. You see, there's no way that the market, obviously the market can go until to that trend line, but I'm just gonna see where I supposed to put my stop loss. If the market, in case the market is not going according to my indicator, but in most cases I trust my indicator. The market obviously will come for my indicator. Okay, that one is not respecting me. Let me just do it like this. If you are a good trader, not bad as myself, you'll just wait for the market to break this trend line again. In case you're having a very small account, for me, I know the direction of the market already. I don't have to mind. Just like this. The top one should obviously be right. Okay, so for now the market is in between these two trend lines and it's going to break the down trend line just to go down. So that's basically what I know about this market. The market can retest the top one, but later it will just come for me. So yeah, this is literally after some minutes, so let's go check our trades. Boom, 300. As you can see, it's breaking the trend line that I just told you. Doing cool. The strategy is ahead. It's just a matter of not making this video long. Everything is just on point. Let's see. This one is the one that is retracing, but I've taken most of my profit. You can see I've taken more than 10, and each one had more than 100, but now it's something like 76 point something. All right, so it's doing cool. Let's see. These ones are just the one that we have ended. They are all doing cool. Everything is just on point. We are not worried about catching few candles or what. We are worried about catching the whole move. So but in the previous video I actually told people on how to draw trend lines and where to put your stop loss and things like that. The stop loss used to be very tight, and for this one what I can say, you can just change this trend line like this. You understand? Very easy, very easy. How to draw this is very easy. You can see this is a touch. As long as it touches twice here, you are just going to put your stop loss close. It's a tight stop loss, of which is also protected. In most cases, the market does not hit our stop loss according to this strategy, because all the conditions are met and they are very perfect. Let's just go ahead. Everything is just on point. And this one wanted to retrace a little bit, but you can see the power is just there. This market has been consolidating on the zone, so now it will just take off. So this is basically all about the cafe strategy. Let me see if there is another signal. Seems to me the market have got multiple trades today. I see another trade. Let me just see if it's corresponding with the trends. Breakout. It break an important zone, which tells me that it's still gonna go up. Just look at this. It was so strong, but now the zone is broken. Let me just see what is happening. What is happening here? I need to see something. If it's not corresponding, it have got no key levels, I will not be interested in it. See, that's the trend line that is broken, because some of this market, they do have the potential to wipe the liquidity of the previous shanty there, because there's no a resistance zone, there's no a strong zone that I can say. So for sometimes, if you don't have this, it simply means that you don't really know where to put your stop loss. So we don't trade that way. There should be a strong resistance level. You understand? This one is not a strong one, simply because, like, as you all can see, my conditions are met, but I don't see it as like in H4. You see, H4 does not relate that nonsense. The green one is longer, so that's not a signal to me. Everything should be aligned, so you will have your profit like this. If you are trading according to the key levels, that's when you don't make no mistake at all, because I know even the market is going against me. I don't only place orders, I know where I'm going to put my stop loss. If the market is forcing, the market is coming from here to the top, I know that on this trend line, close to this trend line, I'll place some sells again. And if it breaks this trend line, it won't just break it a little bit and come back. It will go massively and clear all the liquidity. The previous high, it will be cleared, and then that's when the market will come again. It won't only the market, in most cases, if a market break any trend line, like here the trend line is broken, this market will go long to the downside. You understand? So I've learned about the market very well. Now I think I just master everything. So this is basically it. And the reason why I'm not taking profit, some people will be wondering, where are you going to take your profit? Like in like in 30 minutes time frame, you're supposed to take your profit already, but in H1, this is not complete yet. If you see this one, the histogram is becoming below level 0. That's where you are taking your profit. But simply because I'm trading higher time frames, I'm waiting for this one to go to become shorter, to come close to level 0. That's when I'm going to take my profit. Okay, this one is going. Okay, let me just pause the video. Everything should be in profit for me to prove everything. I will never end the video for some of the things in losses, because some people will think that this is just a guesswork. So I just want to make sure everything should be in profit. The trades that I've ended now, I just have to post for everything to be aligned, and everything should just be in profit. Let me just post a little bit. Everything should give blows. Go back and see. All right, I think everything is in profit. Yeah, definitely. I know you can also tell, you can see that the trend line, because that market was in a motion of consolidating, the trend line was already broken. Now the market won't hesitate, it will just go correctly down. We don't even mind, even if it spikes again. Like if this market spikes to go until there, we are still fine and we are still safe. As you can see, everything is just in blues. Nonsense. Everything is just in blue. You see, not even consolidating. How many candles are we catching? We are not catching candles, we are catching big moves. You understand? That's basically it. I told you how my strategy works, and everything is proven, everything is going accordingly. So this strategy is on fire. Let me say, for people that are struggling with price action and all that, this is one thing to help you out, to see where the market is completely overbought. And when it's overbought or oversold, that's when you draw your little trend lines without zones, even order blocks and everything. You don't draw that, you only draw trend lines. Only trend lines. With this indicator, you only need to draw trend lines, which is the easiest thing to do in trading. Trend lines, you can place them as long as the market touches several times somewhere. It can be, as long as the market touches twice, you are fine. Let me see, I see another signal here, a very wonderful one, but H1 is not giving. So that's what I'm saying. I don't take signals of which are not really high probability. That's why you see my everything is in profit. And at the start of this video, we had only this single signal that I've taken as a sniper, but all of these three, I've taken them just now, and they are sniper entries as well. Ever since I ended, the market is not tripping. So yeah, this is just DK here, currently signing out.